Hi everyone, today we've come to Wadi Shawka to go on a bit of a Christmas hike. So we've just packed up our bags, parked our cars here, and we're gonna go somewhere that way in the mountains. We're not really sure what we're in for, but hopefully it should be a good time.
So we just made it to the campsite, and as soon as we stepped out of the car I could smell the barbecue. It smells so nice. The weather is perfect and everything looks really good.
So they've just given us time to just put down our bags, and I think we're going to go on a mini hike.
Hey! Alright guys, welcome again to Wadi Shawka camp. What we're going to do now is we're going to go for a short walk, see the water pools, and then from there you can take your selfies and your vlogs and your blogs and your photos. We're all here to have a good time, and let's get the show on the road.
And just like that, our first trek begins. Holly, how are you feeling?
I'm feeling really nice. What are you setting it to?
Workout, and I'm going to say add workout, hiking.
So Ali has set his watch for hiking.
3, 2, 1,
go.
Let's go. We have officially started.
I think this should be a pretty easy walk to the water pools. Not too strenuous. Hiking boots.
Outfit of the day. You gotta go colorful in case you get lost. You're spoiling us, thank you.
A lot of Santas in the house.
Festive.
There's
Ho ho ho!
There's Santa Claus himself.
Ho ho ho!
I think the Santa hat gives me better balance.
So we've literally just come down to the riverbed. It's a dried up riverbed called Wadi. So we just went to the water pools, and we agreed not to fall more than 20 feet behind the group. Fair to say we broke that promise to one another.
We're about triple that.
Every time we go hiking anywhere or on a walk, we're always the last people in the group.
I don't think that we walked slow, so I don't know why we're always last.
Alright, so we've just made it back to base camp. We trekked for around 45 minutes, went to the local water pools, and just came back. Everyone's just crowding around the fire. We're gonna get ready for tonight's entertainment and food.
For dinner, we had a dish called Madfoon. It's lamb marinated with garlic, onion, and dried lemon. The moringa plant was placed at the bottom of the cooking rack to protect the meat from burning. The pieces that have the most meat go at the bottom. Once the fire is ready, the meat is placed on the fire and covered with a pot. The pot is sealed along the edges with the coal.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, our party begins by first going to set up your tents.
First step, finding the area. This looks like a nice flat area.
So I used to have a tent, but it was a pop-up tent. I hope it's a pop-up tent.
She used to have a tent when she was homeless. She also had a similar hat to what she's wearing to now back in the day.
Voila, we have finished our tent. Now it's time to go eat.
The moment of truth. Ya salam, ya salam. Oh, no, 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 no.
We've come to the majlis and we are about to eat our dinner. It looks and smells delicious. dinner time, and we've been patiently waiting for the meat to cook. It smells delicious. We have some salad, kebab, another type of salad, and we have another type of salad, fattoush. Everything looks and smells delicious. I can't wait to eat.
The aftermath?
Yeah.
For the night's entertainment, we relaxed by the fire and listened to Christmas music. Fadi roasted corn on the fire and Paige made hot chocolate.
Christmas miracle.
This is so yummy. I'm excited.
That's the corn.
So good.
You enjoying it?
I'm demolishing it. Finally, we roasted marshmallows and made s'mores. We got the marshmallows roasted, step one. Now we're gonna get the chocolate.
Next time I missed
She's rolling it in the deep.
Rolling it in. Put it in between. Here.
Alright, squeeze.
What's happened there?
Hit the spot.
We had a really nice time tonight. We had s'mores by the campfire. We had a really good dinner. And now it's time to go to sleep because we have to wake up at 7:30 for yoga, and then we have our Wadi Shawka hike.
Good morning, everyone. It's 7 o'clock. It's well closer to 6:45, and I've just woken up to watch the sunrise, but everyone's still asleep, so I think I have to wait on before I get any company. Well, it's nearly midday and Holly decided to wake up.
It's only 7. So we just woke up to these beautiful mountain views and this cool, crisp winter weather.
So now we're just waiting for everyone else to wake up, and then we'll have breakfast and then we can go on our hike.
No, we're gonna do yoga first.
Yoga first.
Then breakfast, then the hike. Feel after yoga? Zen?
No, I feel good.
We just finished with our yoga session. It felt so nice to stretch and wake up.
It's such a good start to the morning, just relaxing, stretching, and being surrounded in this area. It's absolutely gorgeous.
I just want to sit up here and let the sun just
Give her 20 more minutes and then she's gonna complain that, oh, it's too hot now.
This is so nice and peaceful.
Packing the tent is peaceful.
Why are you so in a hurry to pack the tents up?
Alright, time to go pack the tents. Alright, so we've come back to our yoga area, but this time we're gonna have some breakfast. Welcome to Shea Fadi's.
Hello, sir.
Can I have
One of each?
Yeah, sure. Holly?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
Gather round, people! This is a Christmas hike. We're here to relax, enjoy.
We're stretched and we are getting ready to start our hike.
Let's go.
Okay, you guys ready? Yeah. You guys all good?
The first hurdle.
First hill.
So they split the groups up in two. Some of them have gone canyoneering. We're gonna go on this simple hike. It's filled with dangers and perils, but hopefully with my guidance and Paige's wisdom and Holly's perseverance, we can get through this. Hey, pretty lady, where are you headed?
Headed to the palm tree.
This is where we reached. This is the end point, and now we're gonna head back. How do you look so fresh during your hikes? Well, the truth is, we normally have some downtime in between takes.
We bathe in the water. Lots of huffs. This fake acting is really good. I'm gonna laugh if your pants rip. This is not for a movie. Good job. High five.
Do it right. Do it Adventurati. She calls me dramatic.
I'm stuck.
So Paige said, don't go down this way because it's slippery. Watch me.
I hear the sound effects. They're good.
First part done. Remember,
Yep.
4 points of contact. 1, 2, 3, 4.
5. Where's the 5th one?
Don't need it.
Paige is like, I knew this was gonna happen. That's why I'm waiting right here.
We've hit a blockade. We need to wade through a river. It's gonna be fine.
Good thing Ali has his shorts rolled up really high.
Look at that cool woman here.
I'm ready. Shoes are off.
What are those? What are those?
Bare feet.
They're leeches, termites, water beetles.
There's actually nothing in the water.
Actually feels so good. Oh wow, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were gonna sit in it.
As part of the profession. Yeah, I agree.
This is how I scramble. Not eggs, mountains. We've just made it back from our hike, and we didn't realize that we were going to go through water, but it was an unexpected surprise that we really enjoyed.
It was really refreshing just to get in and to be honest, it's so hot now, so we're completely dried up, so it was well worth it.
Ali even went back in twice. That's how much he enjoyed it.
Got to do it for the shots.
So our time at the Wadi Shawka camp has come to an end, and we really enjoyed it. We would love to do another adventure like this again.
For sure, like we came, the food last night was good, everyone just had a cool vibe, And this morning we had a nice chill out kind of breakfast with a nice hike. Can't really complain. Thank you for watching. We've got new videos out every Friday, so make sure you get your one-way ticket with us.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Bye. These are the cutest things. Look how cool.
Habib, I'm taking you to salvation. Come. Go.
Enjoy. I wanted to get Holly up, but she wanted to get some extra sleep, so here I am.
Is that what you meant by dramatic?
Oh, I just did slip.
I got it too, thank goodness. I was filming. No, go, I got this.
Are you sure? This is actually quite slippery.
What are you? You're the one that just slipped.
Thank you for watching.
There was a bug that went in my mouth.
My Apple Watch is a hater. Every time I stop it's saying end workout. No, taking a breather. Calm down, Apple.